Hi guys, welcome back to my channel TAAZ Lab. Today we are going to create Arabic dessert Kunafa. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you may never miss a video. First, we are going to prepare the cream cheese filling. For that, we will require 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. First, we are going to add half cup of the milk. Now we're going to add the sugar, the flour and the corn flour. Now we're going to mix it up until there are no lumps left. Now that it's mixed up, we're going to add the rest of the milk and keep it for heating on low flame until it's cooked. Now we'll cook until it reaches a thick consistency. And also don't stop stirring. See, our filling has become thick. Now we'll turn off the heat and keep it for cooling. This is the Kunafa dough which we are going to use. You can get it in the freezer section of any supermarket. Now we're going to put it on a small board and chop it into smaller sized pieces. Just grab a bunch and chop it into a small size. Now we have got 300 grams of shredded phyllo dough. Let's add it to a bigger bowl. And to that, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, and give it a good mix just until it's combined. Now to this, we are going to add 100 grams of melted butter. And mix it properly. Now that our butter is mixed well, as I'm going to be using it in a microwave, I'm going to grease my pan. You can also use it on a stove top, but just make sure to keep it on very low flame. You can understand when it's done when it turns into a golden brown color. And if you're doing it on a stove top, just make sure to flip it once the bottom side has cooked up well. I'm just going to grease my pan now. Now we're going to add 2/3 of this into the pan. Now we're going to press it down firmly. Now the filling which we have made earlier has cooled down, and to that we are going to add half cup of fresh cream, and 5 tablespoons of cream cheese. Now mix it all up. Now that we have made our mixture, let's pour it into the prepared pan. we'll spread it around evenly. Now spread the remaining dough on top of the cream. And make sure not to press it too hard or the cream will ooze out. Bake in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. For the second kunafa, we are going to be making chocolate kunafa, also known as Nutella kunafa. All the steps are same except the filling. For this, we are going to be using Nutella. Now let's cover the top with the filo dough and keep it to microwave for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Don't press too hard or it's gonna ooze out. In the meantime, let's make the sugar syrup. For this, we will melt 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Once it's melted and mixed up well, add a pinch of saffron, a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of rose water. Now mix it up well and you have your own sugar syrup. Now our third filling is the cheesy kunafa. For this, we will need 200 grams of mozzarella and 1 can of fresh cream. We're going to mix it up together. Now let's do the same here. I have pressed and do the same thing as we did before. And now let's add the filling. Now we're going to spread it around. Now let's cover the top. Now press lightly. Now we're going to keep it in the oven for 180 degrees 30 minutes. Pour sugar syrup while hot. Garnish with pistachio powder. should I try first? All of these are my favorite. Comment down below which is your favorite kunafa. Now let's see how it tastes. First up, we got the cheese kunafa. It's really stretchy, cheesy and perfect. If it's not sweet, you can just add the sauce which we have made earlier, the sugar syrup. While you try the rest of this, please do try this recipe and let me know down in the comments. And also share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and like.